Okay, we gotta do some quick stuff because we got the back end potentially to deploy for FNDRPR. So now we gotta do potentially. Oh my gosh, I haven't even really coded in here in a while. Oh, it says I've only used, oh my gosh, I gotta use so many tokens. Okay, so from here on out, after this, I'm essentially going to start building a few more front end because I've essentially wasted like 17 million tokens. So I'm going to spend the next 3 days like building as much as possible because you don't want to lose these tokens. So just FYI, if you come back and I've built like so many different products, that's what's happening. Okay, so we're going to initialize that. We are also going to be looking at what the application looks like. Let's go ahead and go here. And then let's see what we got. Okay. Okay, let's do this. Okay. Let's just go ahead and run through it. When a user clicks star icon, you come over to my pitch list. Okay, if I remove it, star icon. So basically, in the code base, when the user clicks the star icon in the search page, what happens? Just want to make sure that it, okay. Oh, so it did click. Okay. Now, did it remove it from my pitch list? Nope. Okay. Cool. When a user unclicks the star in the search page, then the journalist should be removed from their pitch list page, from their instance of the pitch list page. Because they didn't remove them. No, I'm not gonna add that. I'm gonna say when a user clicks the trash icon on the journalist card in the pitch list page, they are journalist is removed from that user's pitch list page and the star selection is also removed. Man, we got some tokens to burn through. Good night. And we have so many apps to build. That's the crazy part. So essentially what I'll do is I'll just focus on front end for as many apps as possible, and then I'll have to work on the back end off camera or on camera depending on how much time I have. Because a lot of this of not using the tokens has to do with spending so much time on back end. Because who knew it would be hard as crap to do back end deployment. I just got something in Founder PR. You'll see the video in the back end deployment. I just got it to work, and I mean I've been working on it for a couple of days. Across Gemini, ChatGPT, and Claude. Across 2.5 Pro, Sonnet 3.7, and now 03 and 04 Mini High. It was such a meaty thing, and it turns out all of it was the backend code was calling the OpenAI SDK. However, the actual code was mapping to the OpenAI API, and I thought the whole time I was working with the API and not the SDK, because I don't know how SDKs work. And it turns out and that's like just being non-technical. Like, I should have been able to see, hey, one place is calling the SDK, the other place is calling the API. That's a problem. But since I can't read it, I'm kind of depending on these agentic platforms and also Claude and Gemini and ChatGPT to like point this stuff out. So yeah, it's been tricky. Okay, so the next thing I want to do is I want to make it so that when a message is sent, but I think I need to do this on the back end. No, I got to figure out how to run a CLI. Let's do that right now, actually. Run CLI in GitHub. Because I don't know how to do this. I just log in. Do I just go to GitHub? Like, how do I write code in GitHub directly? I need to do some stuff in here. I don't know how. How do I do this? GitHub CLI. No. Code spaces? What's code spaces? Well, how much does this cost? Because I think I need like a virtual, I think it's called an IDE, right? VS Code is an IDE. Oh, it's not an IDE. Oh, it's referred to an IDE. Because I need like something that's like that's browser based, but also secure, obviously. Because yeah, I can't wait to show y'all what I'm working on with Unravel. It's gonna be really cool. I think it's gonna be really cool. If I could only figure out how to code VS Code in the browser? Question mark. Oh yeah. What is this then? Dude, this is what I've been needing. Hold on, can I really do this? I can't believe I never tried to do this before. Founder, nope. Founder VR. To use VS Code in the browser. How do I open Founder VR? I have it in a private GitHub repository. I was explaining to an investor of ours how headless browsers work and how we're using hyperbrowser and browser base, and they thought it was really cool. I was like, man, I feel so smart. Yeah, but code spaces cost money. So I can do it here. Clone. It says press F1, but I am not on a. VSCode.dev. Okay, so no way. I can just come here and press this. I knew that was too good to be true. It says press. This is so crazy because I know that it doesn't work that way. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. I think this is it. I think this is it. Is this it? Okay, cool. It's like, what? That's cool though, VSCode.dev. All right, I might, yeah. Don't look at anything on my screen right now. Oh, you can. Perfect. Okay. Okay. Do this for a little bit, and then I gotta go run and pick up my kid. Where we at? Where we at? Where we up to? Oh my gosh, I can use VS Code now. That's wild. Let's go. In browser. I usually only use it VS Code on my MacBook. So now that I have it here, I'm about to go crazy. I'm not really about to go crazy. I essentially need I gotta run. Crap. I really wanted to finish this. I was so excited. All right, we'll pick this up in a little bit. All right, see ya.